Okay, I'm recording.
No.
Okay, everyone,
Oh.
welcome back to another video on Nested VR. Today we're gonna be playing Animal Company with Little Sis
With?
Gorilla VR.
Little Sis VR, you should really check out my channel.
Yep.
I don't do
Okay, so
VR, I just do kind of like dances, but I'm trying to do like VR videos, but I don't know how to. But one day, you could teach me. Goofy looking and stuff, but
yeah, I can teach
yeah.
you if you
So
go to my house.
yeah, which is tomorrow probably, yeah. Cause tomorrow is their
Birthday.
birthday. And both gorillas, they're kind of like twins, so they both are their birthdays. Nest VR and both gorillas, their birthday. So make sure to say happy birthday tomorrow, or you can maybe say like at 1 in the morning, cause it's like kind of like yesterday, like the other day. So today we're gonna be doing, we're going
We're gonna be
to the
going to
bird,
the bird, which is
and
over
then the
there,
suitcase.
and then we can go
Yeah.
to the sewers,
Suitcase.
which is gonna be cool.
Yeah, which is
All right,
it's gonna
so
be cool.
let's get it.
So let's start like chill, you know.
Let's start with
We
the
don't
bird.
really.
Start with the bird. Let's start with the bird.
Yeah, so we can do like kind of like these things.
Hey, do you
like
want this?
this.
Oh, do you want that
Somebody-
pogo stick?
Nah. Look, you can get it.
Okay, yeah,
like,
I can blow up
yeah.
the little guy.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
So we're gonna go chill right now, and then
Let's go.
yeah, let's
Alright,
get-
we're loaded. We have some grenades,
Yeah,
and we have this laser. We should
Yeah.
be fine.
so we're kind of just gonna go chill right now, and then it's gonna get all crazy over there.
In the sewers.
Yeah, in sewers. So
They're echoing.
me?
Yeah, in the little cave.
Cool. Yo, big guys, big guy, big guy. Don't explode him, okay?
Just run
Just
past,
go
run
past
past, run past, run past.
Yeah, just go.
Run for your life, bro. Run for your life. Bro, these goofy out chicken.
Exactly, they're super annoying. Alright, we made it.
Alright,
Second
we
time,
good,
alright?
we good.
Oh, we good. We chill.
We're pretty Sigma over here.
No.
Alright, so I can
Alright, so let's wait first. Which one do you wanna do first?
kill this guy.
Alright. So okay,
if
so
you,
who's
if
in
you
the
throw
show?
anything in there, it explodes.
Okay, so
Let's get some gold.
alright, Goldie.
Just throw it in there. Bro,
And you done. What if I come? Like go pass through it.
you'll explode.
Go on. This whoa, his head is turning.
Bro.
Ooh, Nestor. Damn. Let's just explode him with that.
Okay.
Ooh, Nestor.
Bro, it started lunge.
Let me get one
lunged
bucket.
at me, bro. Let's get
Oh,
it.
dang it.
Let's hit the egg.
Can I just use? Alright, get the egg. Alright. So do we need like
What does
something
that
else?
mean? No.
Wait, this one. Can we move this? Or no?
No, don't try.
No, we can't.
Don't explode, bro.
Okay, I guess let's just have the egg, and then yeah.
We can go to sewers.
No, you know what we should do?
Yeah, we can talk with little
Let's go
radio.
like on. Yeah, I know. Bro, listen. Then can I just explain one more time with this?
Yeah. Stop, bro.
Alright, let's go.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Oh no!
Run. Run to the other side. We're cooked. We're cooked.
Be cooked!
Come on.
Run! To go for it.
Run for it, bro.
To go I'm trying.
Let's.
Okay.
I think we
easy.
got away. We got away.
Alright, we did it.
We're
Alright.
great. We're better
Where are
than
you?
ever.
Okay, let's go.
No. Bye bye, long stick. You will be missed.
I sell these back.
Let's get it.
Let's take another run. Let's take another one. Alright. Alright.
get it. We got
Alright.
some
Look,
money.
guys, look. We got this. Imagine in sewers, bro.
Bro,
It's
sewers
gonna,
is
it's
crazy.
gonna get lit. It's gonna get lit. It's gonna get lit. Let's go over here. No, so we're just gonna explore him one more time, okay? Now we can go to sewers. Let's go.
We'll get some items.
Yeah.
Remember,
can go get some items.
Remember when we used to do this?
Davy. Wait, what do you have in there? Nothing? We always say like we always say, do you want this? Alright, here you go. And then we put it there.
Let me put on that, bro.
Yeah.
Or we just throw it in.
Into there.
Okay. Or we just throw it straight into space. We just throw it up.
Yeah. And then there's a bomb in there. Oh shoot, the guy over here.
Run.
Stick around for it. Alright.
We not cook. We cooking.
Alright.
We
I
not
don't
cook.
think.
We not cook.
Alright, let me kill it. What the? Why'd you like that?
Why
Hell
is
no. Alright, anyways.
Throw it.
Oh,
Dummy.
Wow.
Dabby.
Dabby. Those are 2 of my boxes,
Let's
alright?
get it.
Alright, let's see this with a gap. Get a little servicey.
What you get, bro? What you get, bro?
Oh, you can.
Nice, bro.
I'm getting this.
Yo, Sada, this is one of your
Okay,
tasks.
you're
Pick this up. Pick this up.
Okay.
This is one of your tasks. Pick one of those up.
Help!
Did you get it?
Alright, let's just wait for him. I'm gonna put this ammo in my backpack, so.
Okay.
Bro, shoot.
Yeah, but that grenade's go flowing away.
Alright, let's just wait for like one run. One more run.
Okay, just one more round of the bird. And
Yeah,
we'll
and
go to
then
sewers.
we can go to sewers. Yeah, let's take 2 rounds in sewers, alright?
Okay.
Well, what time is it? Let me see. It's 10. 10:54, so it's about to be 11. Okay, trigger's right here. I don't think I'm an expert on this, but wish me luck.
Dumb.
But okay, if I die, rest in peace, me. Ooh. No. Okay. Okay. I don't think I have that many things, so that's okay.
Dummy. Dummy. Abby. Bro, how did you die? Spawn? I must stick my skibbity, clap your cheeks, cause I'm a liberty.
Where are you, bro?
Over here.
Alright, let's go to sewers.
What?
Alright, it's gonna get lit in sewers.
Yo, come, bro. Come, bro.
Where are you?
Come. I want to say something, bro. I just want to say something. Come.
Ah!
Come, look. Come, bro. Actually, come.
Where?
Look, over there. Look. No, stand like
Go.
right here, bro. Stand right here. No, stand right there, bro. Right here. I just eat my freeze dried skid.
L in the chat. Alright, let's go. We don't Need a light, right? There's already one over. So guys, basically, we don't need nothing in sewers. Right, Nestor?
Mhm.
Wait, actually, wait, come back.
What do we need?
We need one thing if we're getting 2 suitcases. A hoverboard.
Oh,
I hope I
right.
can afford it. Or you can quit. Oh, we can't afford.
How much money do you have?
Wait. Oh, I can't afford one for. Wait, hold up. What do you like? Can you have like a
much money
rocket?
you have?
No.
I have
Now I have-
129.
Yeah, bro. What do you owe? Like, what do you owe? Like something good.
I own a stick, a crowbar, a flare gun, a whole
Yeah,
kit,
let's-
a revolver, the big backpack, the small backpack, no ammo, the light bulb, the glow stick, the rocket, the plunger,
Do you have
the
like
teleporting
something
ball,
like
the
useless?
tablet, the dynamite,
wait.
the flashbang, the grenade,
I have an idea.
this thing, and nothing.
I have an idea. Look, get a little small backpack, or a medium backpack, whichever one. Okay. Oh wait, how much money do you have? How much money do you have?
4,000, 5,000.
Okay, try to get a lot of those teleporting bags.
Why?
That way you can spawn like whenever you want. You know?
Okay.
Do you know what I mean? I try to like. Alright, let's go. You like a lot until like you have literally 0.
No, bro. Quédate, entra.
Get
Oh.
more, bro. You need more. You need more. Do you have to leave?
No.
Alright, let's go. Go. Oh, that. Let's go. Alright, so basically, we don't need nothing. You can technically just quit, but just for the video, I'm not gonna quit. Alright, Nestor?
Okay.
Just for your followers. I'm gonna go the hard way. I kind of like always quit the game, so yeah. But
Bro, my dog. Wait, let me do something.
all right.
So, Sally, where'd you go? Hello? Bro, I have to charge my VR, bro. I can't.
Charge it. I'm charging mine.
I don't have a big charger, bro.
Oh.
I think we might have to resume this video like tomorrow or something. Because I can do that.
No, we
Because I
can't do it
because-
tomorrow, cause no, tomorrow's your birthday.
That's fine. We can do it
Bro,
after
come
tomorrow,
on.
Saturday or Sunday. I mean,
Bro, come on, just try it. Try it out for the
bro,
viewers.
I literally have legit. I have 2%.
Okay, charge it.
Bro, I can't charge it, bro.
Why? How? Why?
Bro, I can't charge it, and my little small charger thing doesn't have charge.
Okay, fine. Here. You can charge your VR
Okay, set it. My VR is turning off.